Hello. Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Hi. I'm Jam, and I am the only sister of the group. Although it doesn't show, we're only 1 year apart. And being so close in age, me and Kuya really bonded during our younger years. Kami yung magkalaro, magkakulitan, at magkaaway noon. And I just want to share two core memories that I have with Kuya. First, do you guys know the candy Skittles? Yes, may props ako kaso na kay tita. One day, Kuya decided to put it inside his nose, two of them, just to prove that he has a large nose. Unfortunately, it got stuck, and of course, I'm the first one to call Mama. And I remember being scared and anxious as Kuya went to the hospital with our late teacher, Teacher Joy. Fortunately, the candy melted, and he only had to sneeze it out. Second, so he was the first to go to a bigger school, so high school. When I when I started a year later, there was a time when we still went home together, but one day he decided to play in a computer shop. He brought me along and had me sit in the corner of the room until they finished playing. With a bit of bad luck, when it was time to go home, it was raining cats and dogs, and we ended up getting our uniforms wet. And after that, I think we never went home together again. Pero baka pala, iba na yung kasabay pa uwi. And I think that's where Ate Arian appears in the story. But you guys are lucky. Because of my bad memory, I don't have any stories to spill. The only thing I remember now is my feeling of awkwardness and excitement whenever I get to meet Ate Arian. Mostly because she's the ate I always wanted to have. So soon enough, we were all in college, different schools. Up till now, I'm still in awe of how both of you just grew despite the distance. And I have witnessed it firsthand kasi nung sumasabay pa ako dati magbiyahe, papunta sila sa work, so nasa bus kami. Ang sweet nila masyado. So after nun, di na ulit ako sumabay. And fast forward, living with Kuya as an adult, I really saw how much of a positive influence Ate Arian is to Kuya. Being so thoughtful, helping in the household, especially during emergencies, always willing to hatid in sundo. Dati nagagawan lang kami ng remote ng TV. Now, Kuya won't be one tawag away, especially when I have a question, when I need help, when it's time to eat, at kapag may ipis sa bahay na kailangang patayin. But rather, there's a Kuya and Ate I can reach out to. Ate Arian, well, you have always been a part of the family. Now it's official. Even though you already have two sisters, you've always treated me as a sister ever since. And now I can finally call you ate. Ate na lang, ang haba po kasi ng Ate Arian. I wish both of you the best in your married life. Cheers!
Thank you so much, Jam. Thank you also for telling that story. Now pass that mic to the poging gentleman sa tabi mo. Let's go, Jam.
Hello. sorry everyone, masakit lalamunan ko dahil sa kaninang ginawa namin ng mga groomsmen. But, pero I'll try my best. Anyways, good evening everyone. Ako po si Jalen, hindi Jalen, Jalen. The groom's little brother and best man. And I am very honored today to be able to offer a toast to celebrate the love between my brother and his soulmate. Everyone, I'ma just keep it real. Mag-open up na ako kay Kuya. Okay. Kuya, from as early as I can remember, I always looked up to you. Like, palagi ko naisip dati, nung high school pa lang si Kuya to, angas naman ni Kuya. He was my definition of cool. Matangkad, pogi, nagte-tennis, nagigitara, dami no, nagdodota, at responsable. At least from what I could see. To me, he had it all. He was the coolest big brother, and I respected him a lot. And not just because ang layo ng age gap namin, 10 years. Okay. And sa totoo lang, dahil mas matanda si Kuya ng sobra, di kami ganun ka-close eh. Di masyadong nag-overlap buhay namin. Nagkikita lang talaga kami tuwing nasa bahay kami. Pero that didn't stop me from idolizing him and respecting him as a big brother. Actually, gusto ko talaga makapag-close sa kanya bago pa siya mag-college. Pero sobrang mahiyaan kasi ako dati. Hindi naman. Pero kahit na, nalala ko pa dati, hinihintay ko siya palagi makauwi after school para makapag-spend time ako sa kanya. Pero naya pa din ako. Tapos, bigla ko na lang nalaman na may jowa na siya. Tapos umuwi pa siya, nakasama yung jowa niya sa bahay namin. Wow, mayabang. Mana sa tatay eh. Tapos nakita ko si Ate Arian for the first time. Reaction ko, naku, maganda. Lugi na ako. Lugi. And ever since then sila na, I can barely remember a time when they weren't together. Ma, nasa na si Kuya? Anak kila Ate Arian. Sino kasama ni Kuya? Si Ate Arian. At ngayon, kasal na sila. Kasal na kayo, guys. Congratulations. You two have achieved something incredible. From high school sweethearts to husband and wife. Seeing your relationship reach this point has given me newfound respect for the both of you. From my own experience of being in a relationship, it's not easy. I've gone through, okay, it's not easy. I've gone through 2 relationships. Didn't work out, both of them. And I learned that from those experiences that it takes so much more than just love for our relationship to work. It takes respect, trust, understanding, patience, and maturity from both sides to be able to work through the bumps that your relationship grows through. And you guys made it work. I'm so proud of both of you. To my dear Kuya and my new ate, I hope in this new journey as husband and wife, you find not just comfort, but also hope, knowing that you will always be there for each other through thick and thin. Here's to a lifetime of peace and love. Cheers.
Aw. Brothers, you'll always be brothers. Thank you so much, Jalen, for sharing all those stories of